Hi everyone, so it's hair wash day and I am just going to prep my hair for hair washing. So I literally use this organic coconut oil that I got from Tesco. It just so happens to be organic and it's really cheap, like a couple of pounds. And basically I apply this to my hair and I just leave it on for as long as possible. So usually I actually do this in the morning. Today I haven't got around to it, so I'm just going to do it now for a couple of hours. Let's apply it to my hair. Okay, so hair's out, opened the coconut oil. The reason I like it is because it's literally just 100% coconut oil. There's no fragrances or anything like that. I have multiple contact allergies to all these things that you find in any sort of like product. So I have just got a spoonful, popped it onto my hands, and I basically rub it until it forms a liquid oil. I just apply it, just do as much as possible, concentrating on anywhere that's not my roots because I don't want it to be like greasy. For some reason, me putting this on, it just makes it so soft after I've washed it. I honestly think it's the best thing for any frizzy or dry hair, any hair that's damaged from styling or coloring. So I'm just going to keep going. Other side. Yeah. Now I'm just going to tie it up